Hey everybody, I'm outdoor expert Jimmy B with Sun & Ski Sports. We're out here on the trail today with one of the newest additions to our mountain bike lineup. This is the Kona Hei Hei. Kona built this bike for riders who want to dive straight into off-road riding. Think fast laps, long days on the single track, and a bike that's just as happy chasing podiums as it is chasing your buddies down the trail. The Hei Hei is a short travel full suspension two-nighter that sits right between a pure XC race rig and a modern trail bike. It's meant for riders who want quick and efficient pedaling and quick handling for long climbs and rolling terrain, but still want enough travel and stability to have fun when the trail gets rough, steep, or technical. At the heart of the bike, you've got Kona's Race Light 6061 aluminum frame with 120 millimeters of rear travel, using their updated suspension design for a snappy, responsive feel. Up front, there's a Fox 34 float rhythm fork with 130 millimeters of travel, so you get a nice balance of control and support when you're charging down through rough rocks, roots, and berms. The Hei Hei is built around the SRAM Eagle transmission system with a 32-tooth chainring and a wide range 1052-tooth cassette, giving you all the gears you need for steep climbs and high-speed sections. Shifting is crisp and precise with the Eagle 70 shifter and derailleur. And when it comes time to slow things down, you've got the SRAM Motive Bronze 4-piston brakes and 180mm centerline rotors, front and rear, for solid, confident stopping power. Up in the cockpit, you'll see Kona's XC-BC 35 handlebar and stem, paired with Kona key grips and a WTB Volt saddle, giving you comfortable trail-ready setup right out of the box. You also get a Trans-X dropper post with a SRAM lever, so with a quick tap you can drop the saddle and get low and stable for descents, or pop it back up for long climbs. The wheels are WTB STI 30 TCS 2.0 rims, laced to Formula hubs set up to handle aggressive trail riding and modern tire widths. Kona Spec Maxxis Dissector XO TR 29 by 2.4 tires, front and rear, which give you a great mix of rolling speed, grip, and confidence on loose over hardpack and mixed trail conditions. Perfect for the kind of riding we do out here. If you're looking for a bike that can be your gateway into serious trail riding, or you want to upgrade from a hardtail or older XC bike to do something more capable without feeling sluggish, the Hei Hei is a very compelling option. It's light and efficient enough for long days and racing, but fun and forgiving enough so that you can just come out and hit the local trails and enjoy every lap. If you'd like to throw a leg over the Kona Hei Hei, stop into your local Sun & Ski Sports. They'll help you find the right size and get you all dialed in. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll never miss out on more gear reviews like we just did on this Kona Hei Hei.